Hi everyone, and welcome to the explanation for week 2 of 4033. Our learning outcomes for this week have to do with vocabulary instruction and choosing which words to actually teach before giving a reading assignment, and aids that you can do such as graphic organizers, techniques to build student interest, the relationship between reading and writing, and so on and so on. So if you'll take a moment to go through those learning outcomes before you begin week 2 of the course. The assignments for week 2 are to read chapter 4 in the Chapman and King text, to view the 2 PowerPoints on text structure and the importance of text structure, to view the 3-part structure PowerPoint, and then your form directions are to explain the importance of understanding text structure and nonfiction in informational text and how it aids in comprehension. How do anticipatory activities build background knowledge, and why is that critical to comprehension? And then it's also due for you to do just a written description only of the video strategy presentation number 1. The actual video that you'll be doing is due week 4, but this is basically to let me know what you're going to be working on. This is due by Friday at midnight. What you're asked to do is post the topic as the name of the strategy you're using in your name. For example, I have KWL Sherry Jacobs. In the body of the post, you need to give a description of the setting in which you'll use or teach this strategy. For example, I will be making a KWL chart with a small group, and I have in parentheses 5, of second graders prior to reading a selection about whales. As we read, we will fill in the L portion of the chart. The actual video presentation for topic 1 will be due in week 4. So make sure that you go ahead and review that rubric carefully too as you begin on that. Here is the forum, basically just what I explained to you a little bit earlier that you need to answer, and the guidelines are the same for the initial post by Wednesday at midnight and the response post by Saturday at midnight. Here are the 3, the PowerPoints information that you need to read and view for this week's assignments. And finally, that video strategy presentation topic where I've basically explained in detail what we talked about just a couple of moments ago when I went over week 2. I'm going to go ahead and go over week 3 as well, since it's a pretty simple week, and that way you'll have your video that you need for both of those. You'll go through, of course, and read through your learning objectives or outcomes. Your assignments, which are to view the videos from the website links on this week's Moodle section. And the titles are How to Implement Instruction with Nonfiction and Nonfiction in Action and Word Sort Lesson Example. Then to read Chapter 5 in the Chapman and King text. You're going to be posting in the forum and responding as we do each week. Your assignment for next week, or for week 3, are the things that I just told you, and here is the link for the forum for that. Okay. I think we'll go ahead. This is only 4 minutes now, so I think we'll go ahead and stop this one, and then I'll start in for the week 4 one soon. I hope you all have a wonderful week.